Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. Let me tell you that connecting your Wix website to Google Search Console is actually a one-click setup, but there are some requirements which you need to do. So as you can see, we are looking at my website over here and obviously you will see yours. Just click on the website you want to connect your Google Search Console. Once you do that, you might end up over here. And if you have a new website, you will see something like this. And if not, what are you going to do? Click on the left side, marketing and SEO. And after that, click on SEO. You might end up over here. Here you are just need to do some few things. You just need to add your homepage title, homepage description, and add text to homepage. These are very common things. And if you have a website already, these are already done for you. After that, we have some option like allow indexing to make your homepage visible and optimize the site for mobile device. Once you do all of these stuff, the main thing which you need to do before connecting your Google Search Console is this one, buy a domain. You need to buy a domain from third party or anywhere, and if you want to buy your domain from Wix.com, they can also do that. Once you buy your domain and connect that to your Wix website, then you just need to come over here and this is the last option, connect this site to Google Search Console. Click on this and you just need to connect your Google account from over here. Without custom domain, you cannot connect Google Search Console. So just remember that. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.